I was surprised by the comments that were made by the Honorable Millie Odhiambo about the US elections, Honorable Speaker. I have known Honorable Millie as a well-experienced politician, but I didn't know that with her years of experience, she couldn't predict and know clearly that her candidate would lose, because it was in black and white. It was outright. I mean, I was
out of order, Honorable Millie.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Is Honorable Osoro, in order to impute improper motive on me by inferring that I only follow candidates who are likely to win, when in fact I am a woman of principle and I follow people based on my conviction and on my principle. And I follow Kamala Harris, one, because her name sounds Luya, but secondly, because she's a woman, and I support women wherever they are found. I know people have been imputing some of the things that the current president has done on her, but she's a woman. I support her whether she wins or she fails. I am a woman, strength of a woman, whether we win or lose, women.
I thought Honorable Millie, Honorable Osoro was saying he didn't quite understand the policies of of Kamala, Vice President Kamala Harris, whom you are supporting. Not that she's a woman. Anyway, Honorable Osoro, proceed.
Let me conclude, Honorable Speaker, and say that the Honorable Kamala and many other women should, we keep encouraging them not to use only the gender card in selling their policies. There are so many things you can tell the public other than saying, I'm a woman, now elect me. And that is why with that policies, Honorable Speaker. But there is one thing to celebrate, and I think this is to Honorable Millie, that the House representative, or the Minnesota State, Honorable Speaker, a Kisi woman that I met and had dinner with on 23rd of May 2024, has actually won the seat. At least for that one we can celebrate, because we are linked to that.